What's in the box? Are you doing the Morgan Freeman thing again from 7?
Yeah.
In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a really good deal and the perfect way to dip your toes into the world of leather crafting if you haven't done so already. I'm going to be unboxing our 5-pound box of leather scraps, so let's see what kind of pieces I get. So these scrap boxes are available on the website, and they are a combination of veg tan and chrome tan scraps. This one is straight from the warehouse, so let's see what we've got. Packed to the brim, and I'm seeing some good veg tan off the start, so that's great. Some natural. This is our dusty chrome tan leather, probably my current favorite chrome tan leather of all time. Really good stuff. More veg, natural. This is all 4 to 5 ounce so far. Bit of a weird shape there. So already a really good bit of natural veg tan. Honestly, that's probably worth the price already, just in that pile. Now we've got more veg tan, but this time dyed with the tan color. A couple small pieces, and so here's an example for the reason this ends up in the scrap bin. We've got a brand here, so that can't go into any of our panels. So you should expect to see stuff like that. Some long straps. And there we go. That's all for the tan. All of those are very usable sizes, good for watch straps, card holders, wallets, small accessories. Oh my goodness. Wow. So we can't guarantee you'll get something this huge, but it's possible. This is more leather from the Dusty collection. Huge scrap here. You can get mouse pads out of that, small bags, clutches. That's pretty nice. And then, yep, some more of that Dusty. And one last little piece. So in my box that was randomly picked off the shelf, I have 4 different leathers, 2 chrome, 2 veg, and 4 different colors. And these are all really well suited to what I like, actually, so I did get lucky. So if you're a beginner and you want to try leather crafting, but you're scared by the sometimes high prices of leather, this is a perfect jumping off point for you to get started. So what can you make with a box of scraps? Well, I've got some ideas here for you. So with some of the natural veg tan, if you get that in your box, that's perfect for practicing new ways to dye leather. If there's a new technique you wanted to try, or just to get some repetition to try to get even dye. You can also make a lot of accessories, wallets, card holders, keychains, dog collar, sunglasses cases. All that is perfect for the veg tan. If you get some chrome tan stuff, great for small pouches or other accessories like coasters. This is a little watch roll. You can always do some mouse pads. If you want to get a feel for what type of leathers could be in the scrap box, just search the word leather panel on our website, and all the leather that you see there is leather we make panels out of, and that's where these scraps come from. So if it's there, it could be in your box. You should also expect to see things like scars, brands, and holes, the type of things we can't include in our leather panels that we sell. And to close out the video, I'll say again that this is a great value, and you're not going to find cheaper, higher quality leather than this. So get it in the form of a scrap and you'll save some money, and it's great for practice or great for beginners. So get them while they last, because we only have so much scrap at Sailrite.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.